This is Dr. David Shine, and welcome to Business Law 101. This is another good slide with, and you can see they've bolded the key concepts on this page. Valid contract, that's what we want as business people. We don't want anything other than valid contracts. That's pretty straightforward, and same as consumers. A void contract is not enforceable by either party. That's not exciting. What's interesting from a legal standpoint is this third one is a voidable contract. The easiest way to talk about a voidable contract is it's one that one party can avoid but not the other. And the best example of this would be a deal with a minor. So you have a 16-year-old who's working hard, and maybe he's got a band or something, and he goes to the local used car lot, picks out a van or a pickup truck to move his band around, and he makes a deal, and he said, I'll buy the truck for $3,000. Here's $500 to secure the deal. I'm going to get somebody to drive me back here tomorrow to pick the truck up. So the teenager comes back the next day to pick up the truck, and the used car dealer says, here's your $500 back. I got bad news for you. Somebody else came by later last night and paid me $3,500 cash for the truck. Tough luck. Well, the problem is that while the used car dealer could not have enforced the contract against the 16-year-old, the 16-year-old can enforce the contract against the adult. So it's that's the case of avoidable contract. So it's a pretty interesting scenario in the law. And again, if you're dealing with people, one of the easiest things to do, and you may see this in a lot of small businesses like car dealerships, always ask for people's driver's license, and they write that information down, but it also tells them how old the person is that they're dealing with. And if they even have a driver's license, you're going to want to know that, of course, even for them to test drive the vehicle and make sure that they, are a legitimate person and not going to take the vehicle and drive it to the next state or something like that. So again, what we're working for is a valid contract, which is an enforceable contract. This is Dr. David D. Shine for Business Law 101. If you've enjoyed this episode, please subscribe on your favorite platform.